Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast.
Hey there. We're really glad you're listening. I'm Michael.
And I'm Sarah. We create content to help you learn everyday English conversation.
If you enjoy what we do, please give us a like and follow our channel. It means the world to us.
Absolutely. Your support keeps us going. So, Michael, what's our topic for today?
Today, we're diving into something really useful. How to express your emotions in English.
Perfect. This is such an essential skill. So, let me ask you, Michael, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling pretty good, actually. It's sunny outside, which always lifts my mood. What about you, Sarah?
I'm doing well, thanks. Though I have to admit I'm a bit sleepy today.
Oh, really? What happened?
I stayed up late finishing a book. I just couldn't put it down. Got to bed around 1 a.m.
I understand. Hopefully you'll rest better tonight.
I plan to. So tell me about your weekend.
Nothing too exciting. I had dinner with some old college friends. It was really pleasant catching up with everyone.
That sounds wonderful. I'm glad you enjoyed yourself.
So when we share how our day went, we naturally talk about emotions. You'll hear things like, I'm doing well, or I'm feeling sleepy.
Right. We have two main patterns here. I am plus an emotion word, and I feel plus an emotion word. Both work perfectly.
Is there any difference between them?
Great question. Generally, they're interchangeable. But I feel often describes what's happening right at this moment, while I am can describe something more lasting.
So if someone says, I am an optimistic person, that's their personality. But I feel optimistic today is just about now.
Exactly. You've got it. Let's explore some common emotions, starting with the basics.
Okay, Sarah, when do you typically feel happy?
Let me think. I feel happy when I'm spending time outdoors, especially hiking. Nature really brings me joy. What about you?
I feel happy when I accomplish something I've been working on. Like yesterday, I organized my entire closet, and it made me surprisingly happy.
Oh, I know that feeling. There's something satisfying about completing a task.
Definitely. I also feel happy when I video chat with my sister who lives far away.
Those connections are so important. Now, what's the opposite emotion?
That would be sad. I feel sad during winter months when the days get really short and dark.
I completely understand. I feel sad when I have to leave after visiting my parents. Saying goodbye is always difficult.
That is tough. I also feel sad watching certain movies. You know, the emotional ones with dramatic endings.
Me too, and that's totally normal. Feeling sad sometimes just shows we're human and we care about things.
Well said. So we've covered happy and sad. Let's talk about tired, since you mentioned being sleepy earlier.
Yes, tired describes a physical sensation. I feel tired after a long day at work, especially if I've had lots of meetings.
I feel tired if I don't get my full 8 hours of sleep. My whole body feels heavy.
What other basic emotions should we mention?
How about hungry? Actually, I'm hungry right now.
Already? It's only mid-morning.
I know, but I skipped breakfast. Just grabbed a quick cup of tea.
Well, I'm not hungry yet, but I am thirsty. Could really use some water.
These body-related feelings are important to express. Hungry and thirsty are essential words.
And you can add intensity too, like a little hungry or extremely hungry.
When I'm extremely hungry, I can't focus on anything. My mind just thinks about food.
Same here. Now, let's discuss more complex emotions.
Sometimes happiness becomes something stronger. That's when we use excited.
Excited is such a great word. I feel excited before traveling somewhere new. I research everything about the destination beforehand.
I feel excited when concert tickets go on sale for my favorite band. I get butterflies in my stomach.
But when I think about flying, sometimes I also feel nervous.
Nervous, yes. That's when you're uncertain about something and feel a bit anxious.
Exactly. Before giving a presentation at work, I feel nervous. My palms get sweaty.
But you're presenting right now, in a way, talking to our listeners.
True, but this feels different. I'm comfortable here with you. The nervousness disappeared.
That's good to hear. So, excitement and nervousness can coexist, like before starting a new job.
Perfect example. You're excited about the opportunity, but nervous about the unknown.
Let's talk about anger. Not a pleasant emotion, but important to discuss.
I don't enjoy feeling angry. I feel angry when technology doesn't work, like when my computer freezes during important work.
That's really frustrating. I feel angry when people are rude for no reason, like cutting in line.
So when anger comes up, what do you do?
I try breathing deeply, maybe 5 or 6 slow breaths. Sometimes I step outside for fresh air.
Those are excellent strategies. I usually count silently or drink cold water, something to interrupt the feeling.
Another interesting emotion is surprised.
I love surprises. It's when something unexpected occurs.
Right, and it can be positive or negative. A positive surprise is receiving an unexpected compliment or package.
A negative surprise might be discovering you locked your keys inside your car.
Or finding out a show you love got canceled.
Let's discuss fear. When do you feel scared?
I feel scared during thunderstorms, especially really loud ones. The noise startles me.
I feel scared in crowded elevators. I prefer taking stairs when possible.
Those fears make sense. Our bodies are trying to protect us.
Now for something more positive. Feeling relaxed.
Relaxed is wonderful. I feel relaxed on weekend afternoons when I have no obligations, just reading or listening to music.
I feel relaxed after yoga class or a long bath. It's like all the tension melts away.
So, relaxed is basically the opposite of nervous. No stress, just peace.
What about when you're anticipating something good?
You mean looking forward to something?
Exactly. Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. I'm looking forward to the holiday season. I'm looking forward to trying that new restaurant downtown.
I'm looking forward to finishing this recording so we can eat lunch.
Always thinking about food, but it's a positive, hopeful feeling.
Now, when you have too much on your plate, how do you feel?
Stressed. I feel stressed when deadlines pile up and I'm not sure I can finish everything on time.
Common feeling. I feel stressed before traveling, worrying if I packed everything.
What helps when you're stressed?
Making lists really helps me. Writing everything down makes it manageable. I can see what needs doing.
Smart approach. I should try that.
What about feeling bored?
Bored happens when there's nothing interesting to do, like waiting at the doctor's office with no phone battery.
Or sitting through a really slow meeting about topics that don't concern you.
Though I'm rarely bored, I usually find something to occupy my time.
Let's talk about feelings toward others. When your friend shares bad news, how do you feel?
I feel sorry for them. I want to support them. I might say, I'm sorry that happened to you.
That's compassionate. And when someone shares good news?
Then I feel happy for them. I say, I'm so happy for you, or congratulations.
These expressions show empathy and connection.
What about accomplishments? How do you feel after achieving a goal?
I feel proud. Proud of the effort I put in and what I accomplished.
I feel proud when I learn a difficult skill, like when I finally learn to change a tire.
Our listeners should feel proud when they understand our episodes.
Absolutely. How about waiting in long lines?
Ugh, I feel impatient. I don't enjoy standing still for extended periods.
Nobody really does, but patience is valuable.
Another feeling is confused when something doesn't make sense.
Right. I feel confused when instructions aren't clear, like assembling furniture.
Or when people use complicated vocabulary I don't know.
But we speak clearly here, so hopefully no confusion.
Let's discuss worry again. It's similar to nervous, but quieter, more persistent.
I feel worried when my family members are traveling and I haven't heard from them.
That's because you care deeply. Worry often comes from love.
Love really is the biggest emotion. We love family, friends, and learning.
We also love our listeners.
What about disappointment?
That's when expectations aren't met. I feel disappointed when plans get canceled, like a canceled concert.
I feel disappointed when my sports team loses an important game. It affects my mood for a day or two.
That's understandable. You're invested in it.
Sometimes you can feel multiple emotions simultaneously, like tired but content after a good workout.
Yes, emotions often mix together. You might be nervous but excited, or sad but hopeful.
So it's perfectly fine to say, I'm tired but satisfied, or I'm anxious but optimistic.
Great point. How do you feel when you're full of energy?
Energetic. I feel energetic after my morning coffee and a good night's sleep.
I feel energetic when upbeat music is playing.
And the opposite.
Exhausted. It means extremely tired. After moving apartments, I was completely exhausted.
Moving is hard work. All those boxes and furniture.
What about when something makes you laugh?
We say that's funny or that's amusing. When you tell jokes, I find them funny.
Thanks! Making people laugh brings me joy.
One more important emotion, lonely.
Lonely is feeling isolated, wanting company. I've felt lonely after moving to a new city where I didn't know anyone.
I feel lonely when all my friends are busy and I'm home alone on Friday evening.
That's difficult. What can help?
Calling someone, going somewhere public like a cafe, or even listening to podcasts like this one.
We're always here with you. Remember, every emotion is valid and normal.
Exactly. Talking about feelings helps us understand ourselves and communicate with others.
We've covered so much today. Let's review some keywords to help everyone remember.
Excellent idea. Let's go through 5 important ones.
First word, excited. Everyone repeat, excited.
This means feeling very happy about something coming in the future. It's a positive anticipation.
Example, I'm excited about my vacation next month.
Another example, the kids are excited for their birthday party.
Second word, nervous. Repeat, nervous.
This is feeling worried or uncertain about something. Your body might feel tense.
I'm nervous about the job interview tomorrow.
She was nervous before her driving test.
Third word, relaxed. Repeat, relaxed.
The opposite of stressed or nervous, feeling calm and comfortable.
Example, I feel relaxed when I'm at the beach.
After meditation, he felt completely relaxed.
Fourth word, proud. Repeat, proud.
Feeling satisfaction about an achievement, yours or someone else's.
Example, I'm proud of myself for finishing the marathon.
Her family is proud of her graduation.
Fifth word, sorry. Repeat, sorry.
This has 2 uses. First, for apologies. I'm sorry I'm late.
Second, showing sympathy. I'm sorry you're feeling sick.
It shows you care about someone's situation.
Let's repeat all 5. Excited, nervous, relaxed, proud, sorry.
Try using these in conversations this week.
Well, Michael, this has been a fantastic discussion. We explored so many different emotions.
We certainly did. From basic ones like happy and sad to complex ones like disappointed and proud.
Time to summarize for our listeners.
Today we practiced expressing emotions in English. We learned that all feelings are normal and valid.
The important thing is being able to communicate them. We started with basics: happy, sad, tired, hungry, thirsty.
Then stronger emotions like excited, nervous, angry, surprised, scared.
We contrasted relaxed with stressed and discussed bored versus proud.
We talked about emotions toward others, feeling sorry for someone or happy for them.
Plus, impatient, confused, disappointed, lonely, energetic, and exhausted.
That's quite a list, but you don't need all of them immediately. Start with a few new words daily.
The grammar is straightforward. Use I am or I feel with emotion words. I am happy. I feel tired. I am excited. I feel nervous.
Simple and effective.
Now for my favorite part.
Mine too. It's our daily question.
Today's question uses what you learned. Here it is. What made you feel happy recently?
Let me answer first. Yesterday, I discovered a new coffee shop in my neighborhood. The atmosphere was cozy, and that made me really happy.
Nice. So you could write, discovering a new coffee shop made me happy.
What about you, Sarah?
Earlier this week, I saw a beautiful sunset. The colors were incredible. Orange, pink, purple. It made me feel peaceful and happy.
Lovely. Watching a beautiful sunset made me happy.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Think about recent days. What brought you happiness?
Maybe finishing a project, talking with someone special, eating delicious food, or just enjoying nice weather.
Please write your answer in the comments. One simple sentence is perfect.
We'll read as many as possible. We love hearing from you.
Don't worry about being perfect. We're all learning together. Just try your best.
You can share other emotions too if you want. I felt nervous because. I felt proud when.
But we hope happiness is what you're feeling.
Before we finish, thank you for your time today.
Learning English is a journey, and we're honored to be part of yours.
Remember to be patient with yourself. Some days will feel easy, others more challenging. That's completely normal.
The key is consistent practice. Even just a few minutes daily makes a difference.
Maybe listen to this episode again or practice writing sentences about your feelings.
We'll return soon with another conversation lesson.
Next time might be about hobbies, daily routines, or food. You'll have to come back to find out.
If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
From everyone at English Podcast, keep learning and practicing.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.